Okay guys, today we're gonna change this worn out tire. This brand new one that I got from Amazon. It's the same one, it's a Carlisle, the multi-track. So it should be an exact fit for it. It's the same size, but it's big. It's 26 by 12 by 12, and it'll be the largest tire that I've ever broken down on the my little tire thing. But first I'm gonna give this a nice scrub here so it's nice and clean, and then we'll get it over there, and we'll meet you over there in a bit, okay? Alright guys, that's as clean as I can get it. I'm probably not going to replace the valve stem because this one doesn't leak, and I think it'll be okay. But the first thing we need to do is, I'm sorry about the image, because every time I hit the sun, the damaged lens on this camera is actually showing all those specks, and I don't know, I'm going to have to, you know, I've got a new one on order, but I don't know, for whatever delays it's not coming, so I'm still waiting for it to come. So please bear with me. Hopefully we'll get something soon. But here, we're going to take the valve stem out, and if it looks bad, because there's a little crease on this side, if I can't get it out, then I will replace it. But I think that came out okay. I think that's fine. So let the air out, and then we'll break the bead. Let's see if we can break the bead, okay? The air's out, and we're just going to go around and see if we can shove this thing under here, and if we can break the bead, then half of our battle's over. If I can break the top bead, then I know I can break the bottom bead. But I don't know, it may be at its limit, because this is, you know, this is a big tire, and I don't know, we'll see. A little bit more, come on. Okay, there we go. I think I just bent the tool, but, oh, there we go. Oh yeah. All right, we'll do the other side, and we'll get it mounted, okay? All right, I flipped it over, and we're going to try to break the bead on this side now. And if we can do that, then we're home free. And because the offset of the tire, hopefully it works. Oh yeah, it's moving. Something is moving. There we go. Broke the bead. Right. All right, we got to get the little tool, but I do have another iron just in case it doesn't work, okay? So under there, get it over there, and then let's see if we can get it out. Okay, like I said, it's gonna take everything for this one. Okay, and then get that bead to go underneath there so it doesn't take up any space. Okay, okay. All right, here we go. There we go. Breaking the bead. And off she comes. Hopefully you can see that, but off she comes. There's one. There's one side. Now let's do underneath it. Okay. There we go. Okay, tighter. There we go. Okay. And it's off. Oh yeah, that was fun. Yeah, that was not fun, but. All right, so we got the new tire here. We're gonna lube it up. The difference is they're both Carlisles, they're both the same model, but this one is actually made in China. I'm gonna lube it up with lots of soapy water here, so that this part goes in about as easy as it possibly can. There we go. A little bit of soapy water. And it's very soapy. It's hot today, so we're gonna make sure it's nice and lubed. And then we're gonna try to snake this one on as itself over here. Let's see if we can push it on without using the tool, but we'll see. All right. usually the bottom one you can just push it to go on if you're lucky without having to use the tool a lot. If I can get it to go. Yep, it doesn't want to go, but all right. Oh, come on, lube. There we go. It's actually drying up. I'm gonna lube it up some more. Put a little bit more of the soap mixture on there. All right. All right, there we go. Whew, that's down. All right. Okay, and that's down. Now this is going to be the harder part, to get the top one in. All right, so we're going to lube it up good. Lots of lube here. Lots of soapy water. We want that bead to be nice and soapy. All right, let's go. And then we're going to start it over on this side. Now, fighting this big tire, this is no fun. All right. All right, get this side in, and then make sure it's behind there. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Nice and lubed, huh? All right, now we just got to seat the bead, some air in it, and that should be it, okay? All right, let's see, this thing says 18 pounds, so we're gonna try to get some air in this thing and see if we can seat it. And see if it's seated. Looks like it's gonna seat. Just gotta wait for it to pop. Almost there. It's coming. Yep, that looks good. And it's got exactly 18 pounds of pressure, just like I need. And let's see the back side. You can see that the bead is fully seated. Looks good right there. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now we have a finished tire. It looks pretty good. I'm going to mount it and go from there. So that's how, you know, it was harder than I expected, but hey, it's done. The difference between these two tires, really, other than the fact that they are both Carlisles, is that this is Carlisle made in China, and that was actually Carlisle made in the USA. That's a 6-ply. This is only a 4-ply. So, oops. But other than that, they're the exact same tire, the exact same pattern, pretty much exactly the same thing. Hopefully it wears as well, but only time will tell. So thank you again for watching another video. Thank you again for subscribing, and have a great day. Take care now.